Hi everyone, welcome back to Mella's channel. Today we have here some stationery stuff that had piled up over time that I wanted to share with everyone. And the first one that I did cut is a moon design of a notepad. Like this is just a pretty simple notepads that I could use for everyday notes. And here are some adorable puppies that I am so in love with. This one is the bread with a puppy, like a pastry chef. Then we have a puppy in a cup of coffee. And here we have the Sanrio stuff. This one I had already started using. We have Pompomporin, Kuromi, and the Cinnamoroll. The Cinnamoroll one is the one that I haven't used, but so far they are really fun to use, and this one is just your fun cactus notes. And this one I also have used, but this one is the cat's notes pad. And this one is like pretty adorable as well, and I haven't really used them yet as I have been using the Sanrio ones more. And for the next notepads, we do have here this rabbit, like cute pastry rabbit design, and a bear, and like in the garden design. The next one is the stickers. I got three of them. And this one is so adorable. It is already thermal printed, so it is like more HD printed stickers and thin. And this one is really adorable with food. I really love those little designs of desserts. Like it makes me want to eat some desserts right now. And here are some sticker rolls that I got. This one is a Sanrio one, and I find them very adorable and very easy to use. And here we have here another Sanrio one, but it's not your classic Sanrio style. Let me just open them all up. Like I have three rolls to share with everyone, and here's the third one. This one is like a dog design. First, let's go with this Sanrio design, the very classic one that you might have seen on social media. And here, like we have Cinnamoroll, Kuromi, Hello Kitty, My Melody, My Sweet Piano, Pom Pom Porin. Like you have other characters of Sanrio, not just your classic Sanrio characters. And it's a lot, about 250 stickers. And here's the dog style stickers, and I really love this one. And as you can see, it's very useful for every day, like on your planner, like you have a thank you, like you have a playtime, you have like on the go, like cheers, and like for you, and you have like skateboard, shopping, have a nice day, and you have like work, and this watermelon is so fun. Thank you. Like this adorable puppy design is really so adorable. And here's the other Sanrio. We have here like different kind, like I had a hard time finding the stick where it sticks so that I could show you fully all the design. We have here like they're cooking together, Hello Kitty and Pochaco. Then we have a Pochaco fries burgers. And here we have Hello Kitty. And we have here bedtime, wedding, playtime. And we have here like a very summer vibes. And we have here Pochaco and My Melody in a tub. and like a sakura season, sleep time, happy birthday, and when there's school, and it repeats again. Like most of these does repeat a lot for the artwork. And here we have the New Year stickers, which I'm pretty excited to share with everyone. Here is like the two mini stickers, and here's the big stickers that are not cut yet. And I'm not gonna open it. It has two pieces of sticker sheets inside. And here's the first design. This one has mostly cuts on them and have a bit of a dog design. And here's the second sheet of the sticker. Like very adorable to design, especially the New Year's already coming. And I did got two of these bigger sticker sheets, and this is the second one. Look how fun the stickers are, and the dog with the cat. And this one is a dog heavy team one. Like they have four designs of this. I only managed to get two because it was sold out immediately. And this the other two, we have the mini ones that are already cut, and you just either peel it off, or if you want to put it on your wallet bag or somewhere that you could put it without sticking it, it's totally very good for those situations. And here we have like a cat, and this design is like 30 pieces, and it comes in two, and we have this dog. Like it does repeat, like as you can see, this one has the same design. It's 30 pieces, but it's a repeat of the design. And here we have here a money dog. And we have another dog. And we got here something, another dog, but they're just so adorable. And here's a cat and also a dog. And for the next one, we have a cat and a fish. And this one is pretty much more on the money. So money comes in. Like I think that was the meaning for this set. And for the next design, we have this dog on fire. And we have this another dog. And they're just so adorable. I just can't say it enough because they are. And look at this cat. It is like sandwich with an apple, and we do have this dog with the cat costume. And here we have another cat holding a money bar, gold bar. And for the last one, we do have like a Lucky Clover cat. And so far, from what I have seen, like these designs are so adorable. Like for this 2024, I didn't really see anything like that. But for 2025, like there's a lot of adorable things. And here we have a cat and dog. And here we have like the cat version and a dog version. This one is kind of the blessing. And we do have here like more cats and dogs. And here, like on the right side, more cats than dogs on the left side. And here's some adorable dogs. And here's the partner of it. And the next one, we do have a dog and a cat. Like they're just so adorable to put your bag and your wallet. And also to decorate, if you want to decorate your journal or your planners, this would be a good good one. Especially it has this matte velvety glitter. Like it's so good feeling it on the hands. Like they feel the texture of the stickers are really good. And here we have a cat. And we're almost done. Just a few more stickers. And here we have more cats. And are you a dog or a cat person? For me personally, since I'm a animal lover, like I'll just like love them all. But of course, if I really had to choose, it would be the dogs. And here we have the dog and the cat. And the last one is this cat and dog as well.
Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.